Dear viewers, how are you? I am also fine. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. My dear students, I think that you are very good and you study very well in your home. Okay, the previous class we discussed about English first part, English for today, lesson 4 unit 3. Today I am going to start a new class, English second paper and composition for class 9 general groups. This class is grammar class, right from of verbs, right from of verbs. Okay, you know that there are three kinds of tenses. They are present, past and future tense. You must know all tenses. You should know all tenses because it depends tenses or it uses tenses. Today I am one rules discuss about in this class. Now follow the class very carefully and listen to me what I say. Rules bare infinitive. Infinitive to eat, eat, to go, to do. When omit to, it is bare infinitive. It is called bare infinitive. When in front of verb present from omit to, it is bare infinitive. Bare infinitive let, behold, may, see, wash, hear, bathe, need, dare, feel, cannot, but, used to. Modal a auxiliary verb, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, ought to, must, would rather, am to, is to, are to, had better, have to, has to. Verb after verb present from, it will be always present from. For example, I used to laugh alone. Here, used to, it is infinitive. Used to, after used to, the verb always present from. Now, the bracket meet up. You used to laugh alone. I used to, used to, L-O-V, love, L-O-N-E. This is the answer. Okay. Next, I used to laugh alone. We cannot, can't, but, we cannot, but. Cannot, but. After cannot, but, verb always present tense. Shed. As in shed tears. We cannot but shed tears. It is only for without the bracket omitted. And the answer will be you cannot but shed tears. Next I can do the work. Can, modal auxiliary verb. After modal auxiliary the verb will be present indefinite present form. I can do the work. With the bracket omit will be this sentence answer will be I can do the work. It may auxiliary modal auxiliary verb. It may rain today. Same condition. Rain present form. It is always same. Okay, my dear students, you should obey your parents. Should modal auxiliary after should the verb always present from. You should obey your parents. You should obey your parents. You had better modal auxiliary. You had better. Had better after you had better the verb will be present from. Go to a doctor. You have to do. You have to do. Have to after have to the verb will always be present from. You have to do this. You have to do this. Okay, my dear students, it's very important rule. Okay, you know that there are many elements in English grammar. It is gain one by one rules and regulation. You always to do practice in your home, and the sentence will be difficult. You next class you ask me, I shall reply you. If you don't understand any prophecies, you will question me. I shall answer you. I think that all students subscribe my channel, and next video you easily get from my channel. Okay, my dear students, reply me. Where infinitive, let, behold, make, see, would, have, bid, need, dare, feel, can, but, used to. Modal auxiliary, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, ought to, must, would, rather, am to, is to, ought to, had better, had to, has to. After these words, verb always present from, will be present from. For example, we can but, we cannot but, should, here. It is not change. Omit, only for omit, bracket. It is not change. If you understand this rule, you will always. Okay. I used to love alone. I used to love. I can do the work. Same condition. It may rain today. Same condition. You should obey your parents. Obey, no change. Go, no change. Do, no change. Have to. After have to, verb always present from. My dear student, it is very important class for you. Now, write down in your khata homework. Write down in your khata homework. Next class you homework. She made me do the work. She made me do the work. Number 2, I can do the work. Number 2, you should Radar, you would radar, Y-O-U, you would, W-O-U-L, you would radar, R-A-T-H-E-R, radar, and go home, you go home, H-O-M-E. Next, number 3, you are two, we are two, then go now, go, and O-W. Okay, these 3 sentences are your homework. Next class, I shall show the homework. Many thanks, all students. Follow the class very carefully, and thank you.